Why is it recording?
I just hit record and you grabbed the camera.
What's up, YouTube? We're out here, Smith Rock State Park, a spot I've actually always wanted to go to. We're with the Whole Moment crew this week. Anyways, this is a tips video. What am I doing?
Oh yeah, get that fire, Niles.
Oh, hey, do you guys want the fire? Who wants the fire? All right, let's get it.
All right. We don't have a tripod because we poor. What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna give you 10 photography hacks for mobile photography, and it's gonna be lit.
Now, these tips might seem a little obvious at times, but I guarantee at least one or two are gonna like blow your mind.
All right, let's get to it.
Bam! All right, so first things first, the first tip is just to clean your lens. Now, I know you're thinking, well, duh, but I don't think you actually clean it. This thing you keep in your pocket, there's lint, there's whatever, gum, stickiness, and it gets super dirty. So if you're ever taking photos and you're like, why does this look so faded? It's because you need to clean this.
Oh my. Oh, it does.
Clean.
Snap in. All right, the next tip you wanna know how to do is lock your exposure on your phone. On an iPhone, all you have to do is in the native app, press and hold down on the screen, and that will actually bring up this little square and it will lock your exposure. From there, you can slide up or down, depending on if you want more or less. On Android phones, you can also do this. The functionality is just a little bit different depending on your device. This also helps locking the focus. Oh yeah.
Okay, so the next tip is to underexpose your images. Your phone is likely going to overexpose if you're just shooting natively. So err on the side of underexposure so that you can get more data in your images, and it'll definitely help when you're editing.
All right, the next tip is to shoot RAW in your phone. If you didn't know, iPhones and Android phones can both shoot RAW. Basically what it does is it gives you more dynamic grain, it's less contrasty, and it takes away the plastic look of a lot of phones. For iPhone, you're gonna wanna shoot in a third-party app such as our own, the Moment app, shameless plug.
You said Moment app.
Moment app. For Android phones, you can actually shoot RAW in the native app of most phones, but if you can't, then there's also the Moment app for Android.
Twins. Kinda.
Okay, so for the next tip, the biggest thing for me is to change your angle so you're not always shooting at eye level. That is definitely natural to pull up your phone and shoot how you see it. But bending down and shooting up or getting above your subject and shooting down can really switch up the style of photos that you take.
All right, so the next tip is pretty fun one. If you shoot with the 58mm lens, it gives you that natural compression and a deeper look. But if you shoot it with this lens in the pano mode on iPhone or any third-party app, so panoramic mode, you put this on and you do like a micro pan, I call it. It's a good hack to get like a wider shot, but you get that depth, and then you recrop it to however, aspect ratio you want. So it almost looks to me more of like a medium format where you get a larger sensor because you're getting the depth, but also the width. It's a pretty fun hack. But you need the 58mm lens link below, obviously, no worries.
Been walking for days. No water, no food.
Just nice lattes.
And
Just nice
cool
lattes.
glasses.
Oh, Subsen, nice.
Okay.
All right, so the next tip is to shoot with grids. Grids are these lines on your phone that basically allow you to line up the horizon line. There's nothing that screams like novice amateur photo than like super tilted, off horizon line, not straight images. So right now I'm gonna shoot a photo of these trees and show you what good straight trees look like and what non-straight trees look like.
Tip number 14. Follow tip number 1. It's not 14. All right, next tip, we are here at the airport flying out, but if you wanna film yourself and you don't have a tripod, you can't, for instance, film yourself walking in, you can't set your phone just on this. This is the water bottle or coffee hack. A lot of people have water with them or coffee. You ever at the airport? Anyways, set it down. You can either lean it straight up like that, film yourself, or you can do vertical. So watch this. That's obviously a video, but you can do it for timed photos as well. But yeah, if you film yourself, don't have a tripod, the water bottle / coffee hack.
So the next tip is to avoid shooting directly into harsh light or the sun. And you'll notice that you get a weird green dot or flare somewhere in your image. If you just change your angle even just slightly, that will help get rid of that. Oh my God. Oh God. Ooh, Caleb, let's do a 3D pic of you jumping.
I'm gonna tell you what you need. Y'all gonna need some Moment gear. If you don't, your photos will not get as many likes on Instagram. JK.
All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one.